What's going on, guys? I hope you're all having a lovely weekend. So, I know a lot of you guys are just busy today watching sports and whatever, rugby or soccer, whatever, right? So, I'm just gonna get this video over and done with and just, yeah, see what's happening, right? So, guys, today I'm actually gonna talk about how to use trend lines in Confluence with candlesticks, right? So basically, it's how to use market structure in Confluence with candlestick. You remember the first Zoom lesson? Um, I spoke about market structure, and then the second one I spoke about candlesticks, right? So now I'm gonna show you how to use market structure and candlesticks to create a signal, right? So you can see, guys, simply here, I'm currently looking at Euro JPY, and obviously you can see identifying this market structure. You can obviously see the market is giving us higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, right? So it's nothing complicated. You can must see that the market is trending up, right? The market is trending up. So what you're gonna do is just outline this. You can see first touch here, second touch here. We didn't quite get our third touch, so obviously I still anticipate the market to drop just a little bit to the trend line, and then that's when we can start looking for those buying opportunities, right, to ride with this market structure. So this is just a daily time frame perspective, right? So right now I'm just gonna jump on a 4 hour time frame and see what the 4 hour time frame structure is telling us. Remember, guys, on the first Zoom lesson, guys, the market structure one, I told you that each and every time frame has its own market structure, right? You can see here a daily time frame, the 4 hour time frame, I'm sorry. Market is currently market is literally just ranging between these two levels. Market is actually just ranging between these two levels, right? You can see that market is in a ranging market because it's going back and forth in the same level, right? But then another thing of which I can see is that we have some sort of a trend connect here. You can see first touch, second touch, awaiting third touch. And obviously seeing this, guys, this is the closest market structure, guys. This is the closest trend line. So obviously I expect the market to what? To go to the trend line here and obviously give me a reversal candlestick pattern. And that's when I can take those cells back to the trend line on the daily trend line. And then that's when we can start looking for those buying opportunities, right? Simple, guys, nothing too complicated here. You just wait for the market to reach your trend line, you get a reversal candlestick, and then you take your trades from there, right? So this is my take on Euro JPY, guys. This is how I want to show you how to use trend lines and candlesticks, right? So if the market just pushes up a bit, comes back to the trend line here, gives us a dodgy candlestick like this here, then that's when we can start looking for those selling opportunities, right? But then it is looking good for sales because the 4 hour market structure is the closest to current market structure, right? To current price, not market structure. So that's my take, guys, on Euro JPY. Let me just analyze another pair, guys. This is nothing too complicated, guys. That's why I'm not gonna waste my time on this one. It's nothing too complicated. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, no, this one is not a. So that's what I want you guys to do, right? Practice these market structures, guys. Go on a daily time frame, see what market structure you have there. If you're in an uptrend, you know that okay, you have to wait for the market to do certain things for you before you can actually start looking for those buys or whatever, right? So here, guys, Euro GBP, can quite see that the market has been moving within a high and then lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, then obviously lower low, lower high, and then it came back here, started ranging between these two levels, right? You can see here the market was ranging until it gave us a breakout here, and that's when price just started shooting up. So let me see if I can connect trend lines here to see if I can connect market structure. Okay, you can see, guys, first touch, second touch, third touch, the market was supposed to reverse, but you can see essentially the market just broke above, and now we're just simply gonna wait for that retest on the trend line, and then the market to give us a reversal candlestick, and that's when we're gonna start taking those buys all the way to the up, right? But then this is just the daily time frame. Let me move on to the 4-hour time frame and see what's going on, right? So in the daily time frame, guys, you know already that the market has to come and retest here. So let me just put this line here so you can see. And let me just remove this. This line here just indicates that this is a daily trend line, right? So obviously seeing that, can obviously see that the 4-hour has its own market structure within, right? You can see here we have a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, then essentially higher high. Maybe the market wants to drop here, give us a higher low before it can actually start to shoot up. Simple, guys. Nothing too complicated about that one. Nothing too complicated. Let me see if I can just put on my trend lines there. Okay. Can see, guys, first touch, second touch, third touch. Look at the third touch. Market gave us a dodgy candlestick, and this was a signal, right? Simply because we just see. Simply because we just see. Then you can take your trades however you want to take them. But then you can see, guys, the market shot up simply because of market structure, guys. This is an uptrend. Third touch, dodgy candlestick, and the market just shot up, right? So right now, what we're gonna do, guys, is just simply wait for the market to either retest here and give us a reversal. But me personally, guys, I'd rather wait for the market to come back to the trend line here, give us a fourth touch and a reversal candlestick, and that's when we can start to take those buys, right? But then it is looking good for buys. I am gonna wait it out and see how it goes, right, guys? So there's really nothing much on Euro GBP, guys. The whole point of this video, guys, is just to show you examples. It's just to show you examples, guys. It's not really much, right? It's just for me to show you examples of how to use this strategy properly, guys. Let me see another pair to analyze. Okay, guys, okay. So with this pair, guys, you can simply see the market is trending up. Why? Because we have this low and then higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And now the market is currently on the third touch of the trend line. The market is currently on the third touch of the trend line. So let me go on a 4-hour time frame to see what's going on there. But then, however, guys, we do have to wait for some sort of a reversal candlestick here to happen, right? Do have to wait for some sort of a reversal candlestick to happen. You can see here on the 4-hour time frame, the market didn't quite give us that reversal candlestick, right? So let me just go on the 1-hour time frame and see if we got anything. Wow, beautiful. You can see, guys, on the 1-hour time frame, we had this first dodgy candlestick, and then it gave us the second dodgy candlestick. This was a signal, guys. Clean one. It's just that it's been a busy week for me, so I couldn't look at the market properly. But then essentially, guys, this would be our first take profit. This would be our first take profit. So what I do, guys, I'd rather wait for the market to just drop back to the trend line, and give me a reversal candlestick, and then that's when we can take those buys all the way to the upside, right? Clean, guys. You can see uptrend, third touch, reversal candlestick, signal. It's done. Nothing too complicated, guys. This strategy is literally just like that. It's like that's how it works, right? It's not always it's not 100% accurate, but then if you get profits, you get profits, right? You can't cry. If you get profits, you get profits. When you lose, you only lose like 1%, but then when you profit, you want to like profit like 3% and stuff like that, right? So going on to Euro CHF, you can see, guys, price is trending down. Why? Simply because you can see these lows and then lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Then the market was kind of ranging here until it gave us this, right? So you can it's quite clear that the market is in a downtrend, and you can see here first touch, second touch, third touch, and this is our fourth touch, guys, of the trend line. So let me move on to the 4-hour time frame and see what happened there, right? So on the 4-hour time frame, guys, you can simply see that the market shot up massively. Then it came back, it came to the trend line, reversed hard, guys, hard. There's probably a reversal candlestick on the 1-hour time frame, but then judging from the 4-hour time frame, guys, we're just simply gonna wait for price to just come back to the trend line, touch the trend line, give us a reversal candlestick either on the 4-hour time frame or the 1 hour time frame, and that's when we can start to take those sells, right? Simple, guys, nothing too complicated about it. But then let me just jump on the 1 hour time frame to see what happened here with this move. Clean. You can see, guys, this is some sort of a dodgy candlestick, even though the body is too wide, but then you can see the wicks. The wicks tell a different story, right? This is a dodgy candlestick. This would have been a signal, a beautiful signal, with obviously take profit being here, stop loss just being here. You can see, guys, the market would have just dropped. Maybe probably made like 200 rands. Some of you secured, but then essentially you can see the market just starting to correct, and it's correcting towards this level, guys. If you're reading the Falcon PDFs about the patterns, you can see there's a double top, and you can see how the market is approaching that double top. You can see it's approaching the double top correctively, right? So you can just take this as a flag. I don't usually trade like this. I don't trade like using patterns, things like bullish flags and stuff. I only use like trend lines and candlesticks, and that's it, right? But then, judging from this, you can see this is a bullish flag. Market can just simply break below here, and then just start to drop. But however, guys, me the way I trade, guys, I'd rather just simply wait for the market to shoot back to the trend line. Let me just remove this. I'd rather just wait for the market to shoot to the trend line, and that's when I can start to look for those selling opportunities. So yeah, guys, I think I've made quite a few examples, guys. I think I've made quite a few examples just to show you how the strategy works, guys. What I want you guys to do right now is just read those PDFs, keep on practicing, guys. Practice, it makes you better, guys. Practice makes you better. You can't be perfect, but then practice makes you better. It puts you at least 5 steps ahead. When you practice, right? So yeah, guys, I think I'm just gonna end the Zoom session here, seeing that there's no one in the Zoom session, probably because you all are busy and stuff, right? So I'm just gonna send this video into the Telegram group, guys, and then that's when you're gonna be able to watch it, right? Otherwise, guys, I hope you have a lovely weekend, guys. Next week, we're chopping it up. We're going to have a profitable week, guys. I'm going to try my best to send setups, guys. It's just that I've been busy with some projects here at home. So I don't really have time to look at the market, right? But I try my best. Guys. So I'm going to try to send setups, as much setups as I can, right? Otherwise, guys, I hope you enjoy your weekend. I'm out.